How to appear offline on Zangi. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Sometimes you want to check messages without letting everyone know that you're online, so if you're new to Zangi, then don't worry. It is super quick and easy. First of all, launch open the Zangi application on your device. It can be a mobile device or even your tablets. Once you're inside, go ahead and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're in the chat page, go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your home page. Inside the settings menu, scroll down to privacy and tap on it. Inside privacy, you will see the show my online status button. Just toggle that button off. Once you have this off, you will be able to turn off your online status. Your status should no longer be visible to others. You can now continue using Zangi while appearing offline. So that's it. Now you can enjoy a little more privacy while using Zangi. Take your time exploring the app's privacy settings. There are often additional options that can help you control what others see. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again with more Zangi tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.